Hello from Slovenia again. So I finally got my 3D printed flower shaped dessert cups. So they come like this, so you can use it for an open cup, or you just place this on and you have flower shaped dessert cup, dessert cup. Link to those cups are in my description box, and there is 50% off coupon code too, so check this out if you want some of them. So let's see how this will work today. Just a second, just do this, that maybe, I don't know, I think that it's a little dark here again. I have some paints in my squeeze bottles, and I will use some others from my cups. And as always, you will find a link to all the paints that I'm using in my description box too. So let's start. First one was Prussian blue and of course pearl white, and this one is phthalo cyan turquoise, and pearl white again, and dioxazine purple. Ooh. I don't have a feeling, because it is a little different. And pearl white again. And cerulean blue hue. Maybe you can even do just a star-shaped kind of, you know. I will try that too. The pearl white. I think that there will be 3 ways that you can use this cup. So and the alizarin violet, and I will go once more with pearl white. And oh, my hands are shaking today. You know that I have some problems with my hands, so sometimes are better than others. Pearl white again, and this deep turquoise kind of color, and pearl white, and dioxazine, pearl white again, and cerulean blue hue, pearl white again, and alizarin violet. You can see this selling already happening here. And let's move this one first, this bottom top part, and see what is underneath. You see? Wow! Let me show you. Perfect. See? So let me leave this and grab a skewer to do some lines. Petal kind of looking lines. So I didn't turn my cup today, I just want to do this simple little one today, just to see what will happen. We'll just bring a little more this alizarin violet towards the middle, because I think that there is a lot of blue. So obviously you can play with this part okie dokie. For now it is looking great. So let me grab my napkin and spray it with water, just to wet it down a little bit, to soften it down. You don't want to have your napkin or towel wet, just to be a little softer, but it will be easier for you to lift it up. I didn't do white background for so long, but today I was thinking, let's do white background today for a change. I will just move this paint a little bit. And make sure that everything touches my napkin. Just gently touch. Don't press. This would be a big mistake if you would press it. So just touch. And let's try to leave this as nice as I can. Because my hands are so shaky today, I don't know how this part will work for me today, because I'm really shaking today. Yay! I did it a little not so great that I would hope, but still okay. Let's see if I have to add. Yes, I have. I always pull more background color on one side than on the other. I probably really do this a little one side or something, I don't know, sided or something, I don't know, but you know, it's hard, and when I have those days that my hands are a little more shaky because of the problems with my hands that I have, it's kind of harder than on the days that my hands are better. I will just lightly spin it just to maybe push this paint a little more towards the sides. But it will leveling out while drying, so I'm not worried about this. And I think that I'm done. And I really like those colors. And you see, the shape is totally, see here I didn't do, you see how different these 4 petals are than these 2. This is because I lifted my napkin differently. See? Have quite beautiful lines here and not as much here. But that's how it is. I would love to have it that way all around, but I don't. So if you want to do these flowers, now you can buy this 3D printed cup and use it. I will definitely do two more pours to show you the other 2 ways that you can use it, but you know that flower dips, reverse flower dips, are my kind of favorite thing to do, so that's why I started with this one. I hope that you like it as much as I do, and check the description box for link and discount code, and see you on the next one. Bye!